5 simple steps to increase testosterone naturally. Become a real man again. Something is deeply wrong with men today. And if you look carefully, you can see it everywhere. In the streets, in offices, in schools, and even inside homes. Men are becoming weaker, mentally, physically, and emotionally. Many wake up already tired before the day even begins. They sleep for hours, but still feel exhausted. Their body feels heavy, their mind feels foggy, and their motivation disappears before morning is over. They walk through life without direction. They scroll endlessly, consume constantly, complain quietly, and wonder why they feel empty inside. The fire that once made men hungry, disciplined, and dangerous is fading. And the worst part is that many think this is normal. They think low energy is adulthood. They think anxiety is modern life. They think weakness is age. But the truth is much darker than that. Millions of men today are living with low testosterone without even realizing it. Testosterone is not just about building muscle or looking strong in the mirror. It is the hormone connected to masculine energy, confidence, drive, ambition, focus, competitiveness, resilience, and strength. When testosterone is healthy, a man often feels sharper, stronger, calmer, and more alive. But when it drops, many things begin to change.
A man becomes passive. He avoids responsibility. He loses hunger. He becomes lazy, distracted, emotional, insecure, and comfortable with mediocrity. He stops chasing greatness and starts chasing comfort. He chooses easy pleasure over hard growth. He avoids challenge and escapes pressure. Slowly, he starts shrinking, not only in body, but in spirit. And modern life loves weak men. Weak men buy more, obey more, fear more, and question less. Weak men are easier to distract, easier to control, and easier to keep average. That is why so many systems profit when men remain soft, addicted, and confused. But there is good news. This can change. You do not need fake supplements, miracle powders, overpriced scams, or magic shortcuts. You need discipline. You need truth. You need habits that rebuild what comfort has destroyed. Today, I will show you 5 powerful steps that can naturally help support testosterone and bring masculine energy back into your life. Stay until the end, because step number 4 is silently destroying millions of men every single day. And step number 5 separates average men from uncommon men.
The male body was built for struggle, resistance, movement, and effort. But modern men spend most of their lives sitting down. They sit in cars, sit in offices, sit on couches, and lie in bed scrolling for hours. Then they wonder why they feel weak. Your body always adapts to the life you live. If your life is soft, your body becomes soft.